So here I have put it in water to be propagated. So these cuttings are in water, and I have added some rocks as well. You can get these rocks from any aquarium so that you can decorate your glass jar with them. And these are NJoy Pothos cuttings in water. NJoy Pothos is a beautiful decorative house plant which you can keep indoors as an indoor plant. This is one of the air purification plants and also a variety of pothos. So it's very easy to identify this plant. Get a stem cutting from a friend or else bring this plant from a nursery. Make sure to provide it with indirect sunlight, and also you can use any fertilizer of your choice. Make it organic fertilizer, then it's much better. So these plants are air purifier plants too. Now you know the topic. Today I will be covering up about how to grow this NJoy Pothos in small planters, and also I'll be doing some cuttings and showing you every inch and everything that I do with the plant. So watch until the end, friends, because you will get all the information and details that you need to know when you are putting a new cutting in a small planter. This is a small cutting I put of NJoy Pothos, and friends, it's rooting, but it doesn't look that healthy. So NJoy Pothos having some issues unlikely to the golden pothos and the common one. This pothos needs much care. Do not go to overwater this plant, and NJoy Pothos needs some sunlight. So bright indirect sunlight, because this is a variegated plant, and also they don't like much watering. So you'll have to be very careful with that, because I have seen in many of my cases NJoy Pothos does like the dry soil than the other pothos varieties. So if you are planning to bring this plant, make sure it should be well draining, and also you have to expose it to little bit of sunlight, indirect sunlight, but it can tolerate the bright indirect sunlight. This is a long leggy stem of NJoy Pothos, and I'm going to multiply these pothos plants with a single leaf. Propagation can be done with a single leaf. You can see these node areas, aerial roots appearing in the stem. You can cut it from the node area. Even with a single leaf, you can propagate them and make more plants. Very easy to propagate. You can propagate it in water as well. So I'll show you how to do it. Now from here I'm going to cut it, and also I can cut it from here as well. Now this leaf I'm going to separate. You can see this is the leaf, and also here also I have many. I'm going to separate them. So these small leaves, you can make many plants out of them, very easy. So here I have about 10 stem cuttings of the NJoy Pothos, and I will show you how I'm going to put it in a small planter. And this is the planter. Soil is also ready. I have put garden soil, and also I have added a little bit of cocoa peat in it and sand. Now I have watered it already, friends. It's ready. So now we are going to put all these cuttings in the small planter. Here is one stem. Node area I'm going to insert, and here also I'm going to insert the stem. All I'm going to insert inside the soil. So most of my cuttings are ready in the small planter. So garden soil 1/3, you'll have to take 1/3 cocoa peat, not much, and also a little bit of sand. that is soil mixture. These plants fits into any small planter. It could be any DIY planter as well. So this is how I put all my cuttings in, and I have some more left here. And look at these, they are not that healthy. Either I have to put them back to some other planters, or else I can just simply keep them in water. So NJoy Pothos, you'll have to make sure that you provide a plenty of sunlight for this plant for better growth. So here I have put it in water to be propagated. So these cuttings are in water, and I have had some rocks as well from any aquarium, so that you can decorate your glass jar with them. And these are NJoy Pothos cuttings in water.